Turning in your work in Google Classroom. All of the assignments under the classwork tab need to be turned in. And there are two ways to turn in your work. The first way is the usual way, and it's like this assignment here, where you would read and follow the directions, complete the attached work, and click on the turn in button. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to turn in your work? Yes, turn in. Once your work is turned in, you will see you have an unsubmit button. But the other way that seems to be a little bit confusing is like this one. This is an assignment where there is no attached work. You read the directions and it wants you to go to another website and complete some tasks and then mark your work is done or turn it in. It was on this slideshow here. But this button says mark is done. So there's no attachment, but to turn it in, you click here, just like a regular assignment. It'll say mark is done. Yes, mark is done. And now you can see that it has the unsubmit button, just like all of your other work that has been turned in. I hope that helps a little bit. Don't forget, if you have any questions about any assignments or anything, you can leave me a private comment or send me an email. Bye.